I'm Dr. Christina Ivler. I'm an associate professor of mechanical engineering here at the University of Portland in the Shiley School of Engineering. Just seeing our students design something that makes the world better is really exciting. A few years ago, I had a group that was working with Go Baby Go, which is a local nonprofit that basically modifies toys for kids with disabilities. And my group modified a Power Wheels car. We actually got to design it for a specific child who had a disability, and he got to drive it around the gym and then take it home. And it was really cool just to see how they were able to take that engineering and use it to do something good for someone. Just the joy in our students and the joy in this little boy. We showed it during the capstone showcase, and like people were crying. Like my students were crying because they were so happy that they had, created this device that just gave this child so much joy.